Es tiempo de comer Pollo Loco.
Woo!
¡Woo!
Hey, what's good, Schmack Pack? We are back at El Pollo Loco. And we got their Loco lunchbox because it's time for Loco lunch. And I'm kind of disappointed because this is what our Loco lunchbox looks like. Show me your Loco lunchbox. This is a Loco lunch bag. Where's my box at? They advertise a box. I call it a box. I don't get a box. What's up with that? I don't know. Let's see what we got. So, the box is pretty cool if you get a box. But you know what's inside is cool. You get a churro. Ooh, nice cinnamon sugary goodness. You get the churro. You get a side of your choice. I choose the mac and cheese, all creamy and cheesy.
It smells like too much cheese.
Yeah, it's cheesy on her. We got, oh, looks like, ooh, they knew I like green. They gave me a bunch of green salsas. We got a little bag of chips to go with that salsa. Always like chips. And then you can get one of three things. They have a chicken avocado burrito, which is what I got, minus the guacamole, of course. And then she got
Taco and avocado taco.
yeah, chicken avocado tacos.
Yeah.
Or you can get a chicken quesadilla, although I got that once and it was like poquito, so the burrito's the way to go.
Delgadita.
These are kind of expensive. They're close to like $9, but I guess it is what it is. And you don't get a box, really? Oh, but also we got some pico de gallo. That's for me. And then we also got, where is it? Is this it? Oh, this looks hot. We got the hot one for her. So, we didn't get a fork, of course. We didn't get any napkins, of course. We didn't even get a box. Like, we got half the stuff we were supposed to get. So, I'm hungry. I'm gonna chow down. It's Loco lunchtime and I'm feeling loco. Ooh, look at that. You see the grill mark right there? Ooh. Whew! That tortilla smell when you put it on the grill. Nothing beats it.
It's poquito.
I feel like the burrito is the best option. It's the biggest one.
Yeah, I think this is small. I'm so hungry. Small. No, I want to.
It's looking good. Tasting good. And a nice chicken inside, some beans, cabbage, probably some cheese.
Okay.
Pico de gallo, maybe? I don't know how you're making a mess with a little taco.
Okay, let me see.
Ew.
Exquisita salsa.
Avocado. Oh, it's a corn tortilla, huh? It's really good. It has some spice on it.
Oh, yeah. Oh, sorry. I forgot.
This is kind of whack.
La tortilla, I think that's combination the corn and flour. It's combination.
Can't believe we didn't get a spoon, a fork, a napkin, nothing. This we got some chips to go with the mac and cheese. Oh yeah, look at that, it's so creamy. Like nachos.
One less. Okay, ayuda. Yeah, it's perfect. My signs. You eat always. No?
Oh, I think it's cotija cheese.
Cotija? Oh yeah.
Mm.
Today is more creamy than cheese.
Yeah, Pollo Loco always come through that creamy goodness.
The other time when me eat is other place. I didn't this. It's other. When a little beer, chicken.
I still don't know which one that is.
When you buy the chicken.
Popeyes?
No, it's other. Chicken, it's small, and I say, oh, it's a beer.
Oh,
Looks like
churches.
yeah.
I think we're out of chicken in here. There's no chicken left. Nice little churro. Oh. Doesn't taste like Mexico. That's alright. As far as fast food churros go, a Pollo Loco is my favorite one. Does it taste Mexican?
Yes, but pero I don't know explain. This is okay. In Mexico is more masa than this. This is como more como I don't know explain.
Soft.
Ajá, es soft,
Fluffy.
pero como levadura, como
Airy. Fluffy.
no, but flavor is very similar. Only change that in Mexico is more masa.
Mm.
It's good. It's good because when we toasted in Mexico, always is como too much because it's too much masa. 1, 2, 3 is too much. Yeah.
Yeah.
In conclusion, okay, el sabor es muy similar a México. Lo único que le digo a Rodrick es que allá se siente más la masa, la harina, y en este caso se siente más como si hubieran utilizado levadura y poca masa. Entonces, esa textura tiene, pero es bueno.
Exactly.
I'm looking for naked. Okay. Never mind.
No napkins.
Wait a minute. You're finished. It's like your burrito.
El burrito es muy delicioso.
You see?
Good thing we're not going anywhere.
Your burrito is liquid. It's liquid. Oh my goodness. Okay. Ni modo, like chayo. Oh my goodness. Point back for el Pollo Loco. No give me naked.
It almost worked.
Always plan B.
Huh? Oh. The burrito's big. And it's dripping everywhere.
I told you. No more salsa. Why too much green and only one spicy?
People don't want the spicy, they want the green.
You have other food. Es que para mí la comida sin chile no es comida. Okay, go tayo.
They actually give a lot of chips this time. Usually give me like 5 chips. I'm like, geez, I want some more. Like, chips aren't that expensive. But I guess napkins are.
Okay. Like child. Yeah. You are a baby.
So on a scale of 1 to 10, El Pollo Loco's lunch show. On a scale of 1 to 10, El Pollo Loco's Loco lunch box that comes in a bag, just like everything else. Do they not have boxes? I gotta say, it definitely slaps if you get the burrito. Now, if you get the tacos or the quesadilla, not sure if it's really worth a while. I mean, it's like $9, and the tacos and the quesadilla are small. The burrito's pretty big, so that's the way to go if you ask me. If you guys tried it out, let me know which option you guys chose. But they should definitely include a drink. I mean, it's $9, it's a lunch box. What's in a lunch box? A little drink. Have a little Ziploc bag of horchata or something inside. That'd be cool. And, I mean, it's pretty good. You like it?
Yeah, I like it. I like more your burrito than my
See,
taco.
I told you. Try to tell her. She can listen. She's like, I want tacos.
But that picture looked like a small. I didn't know. Maybe it's like the Taco Bell, similar. It's thin, skinny.
No, it's a mucho.
Yeah, but I don't know. Now, no.
So, thumbs up, red subscribe button, get that merch.
Okay.
Social media.
See you
See y'all
soon.
in the next one.